Hi everyone, today I'm excited to show you my new 12-month bill tracker, designed to help you manage your bills for an entire year effortlessly. Let's get started without any delay. First, let's begin with the Setup page. Select the month and year you want to start tracking. Choose the calendar start day, either Monday or Sunday. Finally, enter your preferred currency symbol. This way, you can customize the template to fit your preferences. Now, let's move to the 12-month bill tracker page. Your bills are categorized into 3 sections: monthly fixed bills, monthly variable bills, and annual bills. The right side of the page displays all 12 months side by side. Let's start by filling in the monthly fixed bills section. Enter the names of your fixed expenses, followed by their due dates and amounts. The right side of the page will automatically populate with this information. For example, let's look at June 2024. You'll see a $1,500 rent payment due on June 1st. Once you pay a bill, simply check the corresponding box. The total amount and amount paid for the month will update automatically. Now, let's add a start date and end date for a bill. Suppose your gym membership starts on July 1st, 2024, and ends on June 30th, 2025. When you enter these dates, the gym membership will not appear in June 2024, but will show up starting in July 2024. Next, we'll fill in the monthly variable bills section. The process is similar, but since the amounts vary each month, you'll need to enter the amounts manually on the right side of the page. Enter the bill names and due dates. Optionally, you can add a budget for each variable bill. The due dates will appear automatically on the right. Manually enter the amounts next to each bill. Once paid, check the box. Like the fixed bills, the total amount and amount paid will update automatically. For the annual bill section, enter the bill name, due date, and amount. Check the boxes for the months when these payments are due. The right side of the page will update automatically. As you pay these bills, check the box, and the total amount and amount paid will be calculated. At the top of the page, you'll see the total amount paid and the total amount for all bills for that month. At the far right of the page, you'll find the payment summary table, which fills in automatically. No changes are needed here. Next, let's look at the calendar page. This page allows you to see your bills in a monthly calendar format. Select the month and year you want to view, and the page updates automatically. It provides a quick overview, showing whether bills are paid. Today's date is highlighted in bold. The transactions page is entirely automated. It contains data for all your bills over the 12 months. It's important not to make any changes to this page. That's it. This template is easy to use and makes bill tracking effortless for an entire year. Check out the link below to get your own 12-month bill tracker template. Happy planning, and see you in the next video.